Deliciously easy ginger pear coffee cake recipe, baking made fun. Welcome back to our channel, where we're bringing you another delicious recipe that will surely tantalize your taste buds. Today, we're diving into the world of flavors with our ginger pear coffee cake. Bursting with the warmth of ginger, the sweetness of ripe pears, and the comforting aroma of freshly brewed coffee, this cake is the perfect treat to accompany your morning cup or to enjoy any time of the day. So, let's get started and indulge in the irresistible goodness of our ginger pear coffee cake. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup milk, 2 medium-sized ripe pears, peeled, cored, and diced. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. For the glaze: 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan or line it with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Add the flour mixture to the butter-sugar mixture in thirds, alternating with the sour cream and milk. Begin and end with the flour mixture, stirring just until combined. Avoid overmixing. Gently fold in the diced pears, making sure they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, ginger, and cinnamon in a small bowl. Pour in the melted butter and mix until crumbly. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Pour the remaining batter on top, spreading it evenly, and then sprinkle the rest of the streusel topping over the batter. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract to make the glaze. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. Slice and serve the delicious ginger pear coffee cake with your favorite hot beverage. And there you have it, our mouthwatering ginger pear coffee cake. We hope you enjoyed joining us on this culinary adventure. The combination of spicy ginger, juicy pears, and the moist cake base creates a delightful harmony of flavors that will leave you craving more. Be sure to give this recipe a try and let us know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.